Hi, in this video I'll show you how to set up an integration between PeopleForce and AcademyOcean. Once connected, employees will be automatically synchronized from PeopleForce to your Academy. You'll be able to automatically create new learners, update their information, assign them to teams, and keep your user database up to date without any manual work. Let's start by generating an API key in PeopleForce. Sign into your PeopleForce account, open Settings, and scroll down to the API Keys section. Click New, enter a name for the key, and grant view permissions for the required scopes. Then click Generate. Please note that the API key will only be displayed once in PeopleForce, so make sure to copy it and store it in a safe place. Once you've done that, you can switch to your AcademyOcean profile. In AcademyOcean, open the Academy Settings, Apps and Integrations tab. Open your PeopleForce integration. The first time you open the integration page, only the General Settings tab will be available. Pass the API key into the appropriate field and click Test Connection. Once the connection is successfully verified, click Save. After that, all additional integration settings tabs will become available. Next, choose the synchronized method. The first option is webhooks. In this mode, AcademyOcean automatically generates webhook URL and a secret key. Add the webhook URL to your PeopleForce setting and use the secret key to verify incoming requests. Once configured, employee changes made in PeopleForce will be synchronized with AcademyOcean almost instantly. The alternative option is daily API synchronization. In this mode, AcademyOcean automatically updates employee information every 24 hours. If needed, you can enable welcome email delivery for newly created users. You can also configure how empty values should be handled. For example, if a particular field is empty for PeopleForce, you can choose whether AcademyOcean should clear the corresponding value or leave the existing data uncharged. Next, open the Field Mapping tab. Here you can define which PeopleForce fields correspond to AcademyOcean fields. For example, first name is first name, last name, and you can add a field, for example, department in PeopleForce is department in AcademyOcean. The email field is only used during the initial synchronization to match existing users. After the initial mapping, AcademyOcean synchronizes users using their internal user IDs. In the Team Mapping tab, you can automatically assign employees to AcademyOcean teams, create mapping rules that connect PeopleForce field values with AcademyOcean teams. You can create multiple rules, edit them, or remove them at any time. If no rules are configured, employees will not be assigned to teams automatically. If you want to update employee data immediately after making changes, click on Sync Now button. This starts a full synchronization without waiting for the next scheduled sync. You can review the results of every synchronization in Sync Logs tab. Here you'll find information about newly created and updated users, skipped records, deactivated employees, and any synchronization errors. The logs also include a history of changes made to the integration settings. Before we finish, here are a few important things to keep in mind. The integration works in one direction only. Data is synchronized from PeopleForce to AcademyOcean. Each integration can be connected to only one academy. If a user has been permanently deleted from AcademyOcean, the integration will not recreate that user. Also, after the initial user matching is completed, changes to users' email addresses are no longer synchronized automatically. That's it. Once this setup is complete, your employees will be automatically synchronized from PeopleForce to AcademyOcean according to the settings you've configured. I hope that helped and good luck with your academy.